Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'll be going over how to create custom short links for your website addresses. Before I begin, give this video a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of technology tutorials just like this one, and for my subscribers already, thank you very much for all your support. I couldn't do all these videos without you guys, so thank you very much. So today's video is all about how to create custom short links. So what I mean by that is taking a website that you have and making it even shorter. So if you have a website you want to copy and paste to send into an email, to put into a Word doc, instead of copying and pasting the whole link, you can actually make it a little bit shorter for easier access. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to use Chrome here. So the site that we're going to focus on is called Bitly. I will put the website in the description down below just so you guys can have it for later. So the examples here, I have a couple websites, and what we're going to do is we're just going to go through each one, copy it, paste it into Bitly, and I'll show you what happens. So our first site is Amazon. I have a NFL football map here. You can see up top there's this whole link right here. It's a lot of characters, a lot of nonsense. So if I right click and copy, and now I'm in a Word document, so I'm going to show you what happens. I'll hit paste. The link is pretty long, so if I was sending this to someone in an email, this link is it's very long, it's very messy. So I'll go down here like this. If I minimize it, now I have this website copied. So if I go back to Bitly, which again will be in the description, and that link that I copied from Amazon and I paste it in this little box here, I'll just hit shorten. So what it does is it makes that whole link and it makes it smaller like this. So I can essentially copy this link, go back into Word, and now this right here looks a lot better than this. So if I was emailing somebody, I can be like link to NFL puzzle. Right? So that was our first example. Let's try it again. We're going to go to my YouTube channel. If you're new, subscribe. Technology channel, MG's Tech Tips. So same thing. Right here's the whole link. I want to copy it. And I want to go back into our Word document and hit paste. So it's not as long as our first link, but it is still kind of long. So I'll go down, go back to Bitly, delete what was in there. Right click, hit paste. Now it's going to shorten that one. So now makes it a little bit smaller. So I'm going to copy that, go back into our Word document, hit paste, and now I can do this, MG's Tech Tips, like so. So now that link is also shortened. Do one more example for you guys, and we will do Target. I have Xbox popped up here. Same thing. Here's the full URL. I can click on it, right click, copy, go into our Word document, paste it. Again, not super long, but it just, to me, it looks messy. We just want to shorten it. So we'll hit enter a couple times, go back to our Bitly, delete what's in the box, right click, hit paste, and then hit shorten. So if you don't know how to copy and paste, it's easy. I can go over that right now, actually. So you're just gonna highlight everything that's in the address bar with your mouse. Right click it, hit copy. Go to Bitly. Right click again, and hit paste, and then hit shorten. So now that shortened the. I wanted to do this one. Sorry. Go back to Target. So we'll highlight with our mouse. Right click. Copy, go back to Bitly, right click, and hit paste. Now we'll hit shorten. Right here is our target link. So I can highlight, I can right click and hit copy, go back to our email or text or Facebook or wherever we're at, and now we can paste this link, and I can put Xbox at Target. So it shortens the link. So you can do this for pretty much anything. Like I said, emails, Word documents, if you're on Facebook, if you're posting on Twitter, MySpace, I don't know who uses MySpace anymore, but anything that you want to make your link shorter with, this will definitely work. It's much more cleaner this way, and yeah. So hopefully it helped. If it did, give it a like. If you are new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of tech tutorials just like this one. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video.